Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best left-handed youth bow is probably one of the most important pieces of equipment a young archer will ever own, significantly impacting their accuracy, comfort, and overall enjoyment of the sport. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing the perfect bow, ensuring your young archer has the best possible start to their archery journey and maximizing their potential for success and fun. Number 5. Genesis Original Kit. It's the perfect archery set for left-handed users of all ages and skill levels. This kit is designed for both adults and youth, making archery accessible to everyone. It features an adjustable draw length and weight, ensuring a comfortable and safe experience for all. You can easily customize it to your individual needs. Everything you need is included: a compound bow, quiver, arm guard, and 5 premium arrows. It's ready to go right out of the box. With its single-cam design, it's incredibly easy to use. You'll experience less recoil, greater accuracy, and quieter shots. It's built with high-quality materials, including a machined aluminum riser and sturdy composite limbs. This ensures durability and long-lasting performance. This complete kit is pre-assembled and ready to use. Get ready to experience the thrill of archery. What we like. It boasts an adjustable design to grow with your child. This ensures a comfortable and safe archery experience as they progress. If you're looking for a versatile and adaptable bow for your young archer, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Genesis bows are beautifully made of quality material and come with everything you need to start except maybe a finger tab. Nice rests, good arrows with a quiver and arm guard. This is a very high-quality beginner bow. It comes with 5 quality Easton arrows, a cheesy quiver and an arm guard. Adjustable. Bought for my granddaughter for school archery. Same kind the school uses. I've used it myself and is a great bow. Number 4. Genesis Original Kit. It's the perfect archery set for left-handed users of all ages and skill levels. Its adjustable design makes it easy to customize for a comfortable and accurate shot. This bow boasts an adjustable draw length from 15 to 30 inches, and an adjustable draw weight from 10 to 20 pounds. It's designed to grow with you. The kit comes complete with everything you need: a Genesis original bow, a quiver, an arm guard, and 5 premium aluminum arrows. You're ready to start shooting right away. It's designed to fit everyone, regardless of age, size, or skill level. It's the ideal choice for beginners and experienced archers alike. With its single-cam design, it's easy to use, incredibly accurate, and produces less noise and recoil. Enjoy a smooth and satisfying archery experience. It's built to last with a durable aluminum riser and cam, sturdy composite limbs, and high-strength bowstrings. It's ready to use right out of the box. What we like. It's incredibly versatile, adapting to different skill levels and ages. The adjustable features make it suitable for various stages of archery development. If your child needs a bow that can adapt to their growth, this is the one for you. What people say. The Genesis bows are beautifully made of quality material and come with everything you need to start except maybe a finger tab. Nice rests, good arrows with a quiver and arm guard. This is a very high-quality beginner bow. It comes with 5 quality Easton arrows, a cheesy quiver and an arm guard. Adjustable. Bought for my granddaughter for school archery. Same kind the school uses. I've used it myself and is a great bow. Number 3. Genesis Original Bow. It's designed for both left and right-handed archers. Its draw length adjusts from 15 to 30 inches, and the weight is adjustable too, making it perfect for various skill levels. This bow is truly universal. It caters to all ages, sizes, and skill levels, making archery accessible to everyone. With its single-cam design, it's easy to use and maintain. Enjoy less recoil, greater accuracy, and a quieter shot. It's built with high-quality materials, including a machined aluminum riser and durable composite limbs. It arrives fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. Weighing only 3.5 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle. Focus on your target and enjoy a more precise and confident archery experience. What we like. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle and maneuver, improving accuracy and reducing fatigue. This makes it enjoyable for extended practice sessions. If you value comfort and precision, this bow is a great option. What people say. The school has around 40 bows so that students do not have to buy their own bow, though many do, especially archers in their second season and beyond. The other coaches and I can adjust the draw weight to suit everyone from small 5th graders to big seniors in high school in minutes using just an Allen wrench. At the distances that we shoot, 10 and 15 yards, they have enough power to be very accurate. The draw length is variable with no adjustments. The archers just pull back to the corner of their mouth. Easy enough for him to pull and heavy enough to develop strength with multiple reps. I also shot it with ease and have draw length of 29 on a Matthews Z7. Definitely an awesome bow for the money and a good tool to introduce archery to the family or just practice form for an adult. It is lightweight to handle and the draw is perfect for her, 13-year-old. The class had about 24 people in it that ranged in age from 6 to 42. Everyone in the class used the Genesis bow and after an hour of instruction, all shot very well. This bow is a great equalizer. Kids can shoot as good or better than adults on the same field. The product is meant to be shot straight out of the box, no tuning necessary. No add-ons necessary either, can't have any in the NASP competitions anyway. Great starter bow, builds kids' confidence immediately. Number 2. Genesis Mini Youth Bow. It's the perfect archery set for young archers. It's designed to grow with them, adapting to different skill levels and sizes. This bow features a draw length adjustable from 14 to 25 inches. It fits various arm lengths, ensuring a comfortable and safe shooting experience for every child. The draw weight is easily adjustable from 6 to 12 pounds. This makes it suitable for beginners and allows for progressive increases in strength as your child improves. Everything you need is included. You get a compound bow, quiver, arm guard, arrows, and even a wrench, all ready to go. It features a single cam design for simple operation, less recoil, and greater accuracy. Enjoy the thrill of archery without the frustration. It's built to last with a high-quality aluminum riser and cam, composite limbs, and strong bowstrings. It's ready to use right out of the box. This bow is specifically designed for left-handed users, providing a comfortable and natural shooting experience. What we like. This mini bow is perfectly sized for young archers, offering a fun and safe introduction to archery. Its lightweight design and adjustable features make it ideal for beginners. If you want to introduce your child to archery, this is a great starting point. Number 1. Genesis Gen X Compound Bow. This versatile bow is designed for left-handed archers. It's easily adjustable to fit your needs, making it perfect for both target practice and hunting. It features an adjustable draw length from 21 to 30 inches and a draw weight from 25 to 40 pounds. This ensures a comfortable and powerful shot every time. With a hefty draw weight of up to 40 pounds, it's powerful enough for most hunting situations. The progressive let-off cam makes holding at full draw easier. It boasts a durable construction with a machined aluminum riser, cams, and limbs. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of regular use. Weighing only 3.4 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to transport. Its compact design also allows for easy accessory installation. Whether you're bow fishing or hunting whitetail deer, it's ready for action. Its versatility makes it perfect for any archer. What we like. It offers a powerful draw weight suitable for hunting, while the let-off cam makes aiming easier. The adjustable draw length ensures a comfortable fit. If you're an experienced archer looking for a hunting bow, this is a top contender. What people say. Even in the first hour of using it, I was able to consistently group and shoot accurately. This bow will amaze you with how light it is. Even my 6-year-old son can hold it out and aim it fine. This is my very first bow, but it's the 4th bow I've shot, and of all this one is the smoothest and easiest one. This bow is very well made and easily adjustable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.